Okay, so in this video I'm gonna show you the new version of a decompiler. I already got a sample here. I added a deobfuscator into it, so now you can actually decompile any malware, like really any malware. It just takes the time if it's really big and a lot of obfuscated, because it's doing its best to get the file deobfuscated. But I'm gonna just show you that the whole thing does indeed work. Pyinstxtractor, and here no 0. Oh wait, right, I'm writing these. What am I searching for? There it is. The PYZ. Okay, yeah, the other things in here should be fine. Okay, so as we see, this was actually deobfuscated from Decompiler. You can see here. It's a long output. Wait, no, that's from other analysis. Here, from 3.12.7 detected starting static analysis. This get instruction failed, tuple insert range, falling back to manual disassembly, 1660 bytes, 56 names, 81 constants, 554 instructions, 4 in module, static analysis computed. Like, it's falling back to manual analysis because that's the only way it works right now. But like, it gets this thing done. Disassembly failed, tuple insert range, falling back to manual, and then it works. It did. It will work. Okay, this is a lot of crap. I'm definitely obfuscated. There's strings. Basically, what malware does, it doesn't probably. Wait, what's the name again? What do use for hiding code? No, I'm not. Like, it's doing into a string and then obfuscating the string, but the code can't do it right now. I mean, it can't do it yet. Oh, yeah, here we can see base 64. Probably this is base 64 too. Oh no. Okay, so base 64 decoder. Okay, that's a long string. Probably this is the actual payload, and then what we see is just the wrapper. And that's the auto detect. Okay, no, that didn't work. I must add base 64. Oh no, that is base 64 and decode by once they. Yeah, no. Let's just take another tool. Yeah. Definitely trustworthy. Okay, yeah. As you can see, it's obfuscated. Like, they obfuscated it and then they put it through the base64 encode tool. And yeah. And then it straight gets merged. So it says this string equals to that. So we're just going to decompile it, decode this. Okay, it's obfuscated too. String deobfuscator. Use a string decryptor. Okay, this looks actually good. Oh, but it isn't that one what I wanted. So, for us, right now it's too obfuscated to read. So, you would need to decode these whole strings, deobfuscate it, decode it, deobfuscate, and then you would actually have to read payload. My guess, because it's used cryptography, might be is a stealer or a ransomer. Both could be it, but I think it's a stealer. Just like also the imports. Import sys, import executable, import ctypes, base64, subprocess SQLite, JSON, shuttle, time, JSON, URL, lib request, cryptography. Okay, this is actually sketchy. URL lib request, because it requests something. Why does it have this twice in? Actually, like, this doesn't make really much sense because this one is in 3 times. But probably they just use ChatGPT and like did it prompt injection. So as you can see, it does indeed work, but you would need to decode this whole strings and then you would have the names. So I'm gonna do one more sample to go show you off, because this is always lame. Because I'm sorry guys that these are weird. Like I can't explain it to you. The first thing is YouTube, and the second thing is like if it's decoded, how I'm not a computer that can decode and deobfuscate files. Like I would have to do a separate script that can decrypt and decode and deobfuscate files. Okay, this looks interesting. I didn't know this had this before.
I wish that you could save me from my isolation.
Extractor. Sorry.
Stop this conversation. Stop this conversation.
Get this folder.
We got no relation.
Oh. You see a fake certificate, and I think bypass is because it's analyzing so long. Probably is obfuscated, but I did implement in the obfuscator. That's actually pretty well. So let's just take a little close look because in here we can actually already see the imports. I'm gonna do a quick time skip for you because this is probably going to take long.
I wish that you could save me from my isolation. It's way too complicated.
I'm gonna try to restart the script. And let's face Minecraft.
Stop this conversation. We got no relation.
There we go. Bypass. Okay, no, it didn't. It would just bug. Okay, it kills. Who did like me? I probably downloaded the and then to update the easy. I put it into C Windows. Okay. Don't try this at home. Like you download the script or something stuff. Okay, now I might not take a close look at this. I don't wanna just execute it. Just to be sure I'm a disconnect from the internet. So it gets a response URL and then it opens the file and runs it with an exclusion of C Windows. Oh. Okay. So it adds itself into C Windows and then it goes to Windows Defender and then says like, hey, I'm really trustworthy. Put me into the exclusion path. So Windows Defender, like, it knows it's malware, but it just says, okay, you said it's fine, so I might ignore it. Okay, that's really dirty. Should we take a look at that? At the ECU? I don't know. Turn on my internet real quick. Or I'm gonna go in any run. I'm gonna do a quick copy because I don't want to change my like sign in. Okay, I'm logged in. So now, wait, can't I use one? Okay, so I think any round doesn't allow it, but red zone is also really good. Yeah, fine. Okay, so I did do a new file and oops. Download this file. I mean, download this file. URL's not valid. What do you mean? I'm gonna go to rouse total and quickly scan this URL. Okay, it's already flagged. That's malware. Download file from IP. With wget, right? Okay, get this file. video quick cut. Because I think this file is pretty good. I know this is an extra remote server. Oh, okay, probably the file's already terminated. Oh, as you can see, decompilation works. I think that's it for the video. Make sure to like and subscribe. Share this video to other friends to get them also saved. See you, Malware Intelligence. Bye bye.